Mikel Arteta is reportedly planning a major summer clear-out, with several players' heads reportedly on the chopping block. The Arsenal gaffer is already plotting for next season, despite his troops being in the title race.
And the Spaniard seemingly hopes to get rid of some of the deadwood currently in his squad. That's according to the Mirror, who claim a whopping 10 Gunners stars are in line to leave the Emirates in the coming months.
They claim the North Londoners will listen to offers for Eddie Nketiah, Emile Smith-Rowe, Aaron Ramsdale, Kieran Tierney, Albert Sambi Lokonga, Nuno Tavares and Reece Nelson. It's also claimed Mohamed Elneny, Cedric Soares and Arthur Okonkwo will leave the club at the end of the season following the expiration of their respective contracts.
Read more in Football. Out of tune. Arsenal boosters. Newcastle boss Howe confirms Bruno Guimaraes is up for sale. Boyle bonus. Man United vs Arsenal. Get £20 in free bets and £10 casino bonus with Boyle Sports. The Gunners would likely fetch hefty fees for Nketiah, Smith-Rowe, Ramsdale and Tierney. The quartet have all attracted interest from Premier League clubs over the last 12 months and could be keen to move on due to their lack of game time.
A potential indicator of the departure of Lokonga is the Gunners' decision to hand Jorginho a new contract. The Italy international was given a new one-year deal earlier this week, with Arteta saying, "We're delighted that Jorginho has signed a new contract with us."
Most read in Football. Bon Voyage. Football legend retires at 37, 3 years after breaking England hearts. Mad World agent Mad is on duty, say fans as pics emerge of England stars arriving. CUP half-full. Major change to Carabao Cup to avoid big guns facing each other. Out of tune. Newcastle release 11 players including 2 long-serving stars. Loris Karius. Best free bet sign-up offers for UK bookmakers. Georgie is such an important part of our team, a role model with great leadership skills and a unique playing style ability which makes everybody better around him on the pitch. We're very pleased that he and his family have committed with us. Arsenal celebrates after nervy 3-2 win over Tottenham. Keeps title bid on track and we're all excited to continue this journey together.
Gunners sporting director Edu, who will be central to the club's summer transfer plans, said, "I know everyone at the club will be very excited that Jorginho will continue to be with us. Not only the players and coaches, but all the staff behind the scenes as well. It's great that Jorginho remains with us, as we continue building to be better and stronger."
Arsenal will be back in action on Sunday afternoon, travelling to Old Trafford to take on Manchester United in a pivotal Premier League clash.